Hey guys, it's Cutie Pie. Hey Valentine. Oh, yeah, Rose? Isn't summer like going awesomely this year? It sure is. Hey Rose. What's up, Rose? Oh, Tom, Licorice, what are you guys doing here? We need to tell you something. You see, our parents got a new job, so that sort of means that we're moving. I'm gonna really miss you, but we'll have to leave soon, so, hugs? See ya. Bye. Oh, bye. Wow, I'm gonna miss them. I feel the same way. Rose, are you okay? Don't want to talk about it. Mama, gotta go somewhere. See ya, Rose. Be right back.
You Brooklyn, I will lay down.
How is she holding up? Not holding up at all. Hey, Rose. Come on in. Talking cat. That's up to the viewers, because at the end of the video, we're going to show 4 names, and out of those 4 names, you commenters and subscribers will select the name that you like the best, and the name that's most said in this comment section will be the name of our cat. Meow. Don't you mean your little talking cat? Because I can talk. I'm a talking cat. True. Yeah. That is a great idea. You know what? I'm actually feeling better. Well, now for the names suggested by Rose, Rose, Valentine, Juliet, and Lucky.